Because the Supreme Court has granted interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a money laundering case lodged by the ED in the alleged liquor scam, but he will remain in jail as he is in CBI's custody in a related matter. The top court, though, has said that it is up to Kejriwal. And listen to this carefully. The top court has said that it is up to Mr. Kejriwal to decide if he should continue as Chief Minister. The Supreme Court said it is conscious of the fact that Arvind Kejriwal is an elected leader, while also noting that Kejriwal has suffered incarceration for over 90 days. It also referred the questions pertaining to legality of his arrest in the ED case to a larger bench. The court said, and I'm quoting now, an officer can't selectively pick and choose material implicating the arrestee. They have to apply their minds to other material which also absolves the arrestee. Part to arrest in PMLA case cannot be as per whims and fancies of the officer. While the Supreme Court has put the onus on Arvind Kejriwal on continuing as Chief Minister, politics has broken out. And that's not all, viewers. The Supreme Court has also, in the detailed order, asked Mr. Kejriwal, as part of his conditions of the interim bail, to not enter the Chief Minister's office. That's right, the Chief Minister of Delhi has been asked not to enter the Chief Minister's office and not to sign files. A political war has broken out. The BJP is demanding Arvind Kejriwal's resignation. And interestingly, Congress, which is the ally of the Aam Aadmi Party, very much part of Team India, is echoing the demand that Arvind Kejriwal should resign.
उनको पता था कि राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट से जमानत मिल गई है। उनको पता था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी जमानत मिल जाएगी। इसीलिए उन्होंने एक और षड्यंत्र रचा और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जिस दिन अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जमानत का केस आना था, उससे पिछले दिन अपने एक और राजनीतिक हथियार सीबीआई से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार करवा दिया।
When केजरीवाल जी was fighting his first election, तो एक केजरीवाल जी का बयान था, मैं हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ कि किसी भी नेता पे भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप लगे, उसको नैतिकता के आधार पर रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए और इन्वेस्टिगेशन को ज्वाइन करना चाहिए। आज वो सारे वादे जो केजरीवाल जी ने करे थे, जहाँ पे वो नैतिकता की बात करते थे, वो वादे कहाँ गए?
किसी की एब्सेंस में जिस तरीके से माननीय केजरीवाल जी जेल में रहे हैं, उनकी एब्सेंस में अगर फैसले नहीं लिए जा रहे हैं तो केजरीवाल जी को स्वयं ये सोचना चाहिए और रेजिग्नेशन देकर दूसरे को किसी को जिम्मेदारी देनी चाहिए।
आज जो ऑर्डर आया है उसमें माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल की जीत नहीं है, बल्कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ने इस बात पर मोहर लगा दी है कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शराब घोटाले में दोषी हैं और ईडी के पास इसके लिए सफिशिएंट मटेरियल यानी प्रूफ, सारे के सारे तथ्य हैं।
Let's open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, Harshvardhan Tripathi, stay on. Dr. Piyush Joshi, political analyst, joins us. Dr. Sumansi Raman was so miffed that he's left the program. And Advocate Kapil Madan, political analyst, joins us. Dr. Piyush Joshi, should the people of Delhi suffer this, that the Chief Minister has been asked not to enter the CMO and not to sign files?
So who is being adamant? Whether it is Mr. Kejriwal who's being adamant or whether it is the Bharatiya Janata Party-led union government which is being adamant, putting all the opposition chief ministers and majority of the important opposition leaders under the purview of Enforcement Directorate inquiries. And whenever they cross sides, whenever they switch sides, all these inquiries magically disappear or rendered inactive. So, due to whom the people of Delhi are suffering, if at all they are suffering, it is due to the BJP and its adamant attitude and not because of Mr. Kejriwal.
No, has the BJP asked Mr. Kejriwal not to enter the CMO? Or not to sign files?
Now you see the track record of the Bharatiya Janata Party ever since the Aam Aadmi Party came in power in 2015. How many MLAs have they put behind bars and how many of them have been convicted in the past? So, is it genuine cases of corruption? Were it genuine cases of corruption under whom these MLAs were put, or these MLAs were put behind bars? In many of the cases, many of them have been exonerated from all the charges that have been levied against them by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So look at the track record. The Bharatiya Janata Party does not want any kind of opposition in this country to survive, and it will leave no stone unturned. Either you cross sides and either join NDA or perish. That is what they want to do. true. And that
Dr.
is what we
Joshi,
did. Aam Aadmi
as
Party
far
has
as I know, the Congress hasn't joined the NDA, but the Congress wants Mr. Kejriwal to resign. Kapil Madan, the Congress leaders want Mr. Kejriwal to resign.
Any national
Now, Manish-
spokesperson has spoken on this?
Now, Pranesh, I mean, people may have political views. They may have, in Delhi, they are, politically, opposed to each other at the, when Delhi elections are concerned. But if you look at the orders, I will make some few important legal observations here.
No,
Why-
I have a question. Before
Yeah,
you make those
yeah.
observations, Kapil Madan,
Yeah, right.
the Congress is saying Arvind Kejriwal must resign. Do you
Right.
endorse that?
Now,
Should he resign? Yes or no?
Yeah. So I have so let me just give you a context and I will give you an answer. If you look at the trial court's observation in Arvind Kejriwal's case, I mean, trial court goes and, makes scathing observations against the ED, and bail was granted to him. Now, what happened thereafter? Immediately once the bail was granted, CBI got active and arrested in a CBI case which was registered in 2022. So the idea was that you create legal hurdles one after the other so that a
You're
person...
not answering the question. Why did the Supreme Court stop the CM from going to the CMO?
Now tell me something.
Okay, should there be a Congress president who does not go to office?
Now tell me something.
Now don't say people have done that in the past, but should there be a Congress president who is not allowed to go to the Congress office, not allowed to speak to the Congress workers? Is that tenable?
Pranesh, it's a condition granted by the Honorable Supreme Court because there are some issues involved.
Okay,
If you
some
look at
issues
the
involved.
judgment-
Shehzad Poonawalla,
Pranesh,
look, the charge on the BJP is that you are misusing central agencies, and which is why people of Delhi are suffering because of what the BJP has done to Arvind Kejriwal.
आ रहा था और लोग बिना ऑक्सीजन के बेदम होकर तड़प तड़प कर दम तोड़ रहे थे, तब दिल्ली की अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार शराब की नीति पर काम कर रही थी।
सुश्री सुप्रिया श्रीनेत, ऐसे पवन खेड़ा, अजय माकन, सबके तो उस समय झूठ बोल रहे थे वो। आज भी अभिषेक दत्त झूठ ही बोल रहे होंगे। दूसरी बात, ऑपोजिशन सीएम्स को हमने जेल में डाला। पहली बार लालू जी कन्विक्ट कब हुए मान्यवर प्रणेश? 2013 हमारी सरकार। जेएमएम पहली बार कन्विक्ट कब हुई? 94 हमारी सरकार। 2006-7 में पहली बार डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट एसेट्स केस मुलायम जी पर हमारी सरकार। उन्होंने एक इनफैक्ट इंटरव्यू दिया था, शायद नाविका को दिया था, कि ये कांग्रेस वालों ने इनाम दिया है मुझे समर्थन देने का। उसके बाद डीएमके के मंत्री जेल कब गए? 2011-12 हमारी सरकार थी। पर दूसरी बात, ईडी सीबीआई इतनी खराब है ना प्रणेश जी, तो छत्तीसगढ़ के चुनाव में पता है आम आदमी पार्टी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके क्या बोला? बाघेल को ईडी सीबीआई गिरफ्तार करे, शराब घोटालेबाज है। अब आते हैं आज के मामले पर। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो अंतरिम बेल दी है, इस पे ये जश्न मना रहे हैं। इनको पता भी है अंतरिम बेल दोष मुक्त नहीं होता। अगर ऐसा है तो मनीष सिसोदिया दोषी, सत्येंद्र जैन दोषी, लालू भी बेल पर है, शादीवादी में जा रहे, वो भी दोषी, वो तो दोषी घोषित है। परंतु मैं सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाह रहा हूं कि आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक और बात कही जो मोस्टली सारे मीडिया ने मिस कर दी। अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस दैट वाज सेट फॉर द बेल, दिस इज व्हाट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज सेड इन पैरा 85. As we are referring the matter to a larger bench, we have to, now quote unquote, despite our findings on reasons to believe, consider whether interim bail should be granted or not granted to Arvind Kejriwal, and then they ultimately granted it because a matter of law has been referred. But as far as the findings are concerned, even the Supreme Court is sure, even the High Court is sure. और सर मिस्टर कपिल मदान जी, आप तो मुझसे ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे व्यक्ति हैं। ट्रायल कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आप कोर्ट करके नाच रहे हैं। वो ट्रायल कोर्ट का ऑर्डर हाई कोर्ट ने स्टे कर दिया। हाई कोर्ट ने कहा प्राइमा फेसी इनके खिलाफ सबूत है, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं बची।
No, but Shehzad, let me ask you this before. No, Dr. Joshi, I am coming to you. 1 minute. The court also pointed out, highlighting a recent judgment, that the occasion to arrest an accused during investigation arises when custodial investigation becomes necessary, or it is a heinous crime, or where there is possibility of influencing the witnesses or accused may abscond. If the SC has time and again, it has pointed this out. Don't you think questions are ought to be asked what the opposition is saying? Are they not valid?
First of all, the SC had the option of quashing Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's arrest as illegal. The matter that was posed by Abhishek Manu Singhvi was that declare this arrest illegal. Did the Supreme Court call the arrest illegal till now? They have said that Section 19 is being referred to a higher bench on matter of findings whether this is illegal or legal. They have in fact said we have enough material on record, but because you're referring Section
Now,
19. But having said that, let me tell you one thing that the High Court has said which has not been contradicted. And here is what the High Court has said.
No, 1 minute.
This
No, 1
court
minute.
holds.
No, we don't have time to discuss that. It's a matter of record. It's all there. हर्षवर्धन जी, मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूं, लेकिन मैं एक छोटे छोटे सवाल फिर से पूछना चाहता हूं डॉक्टर जोशी से एंड टू यू कपिल मदान. As voters, would you have a chief minister who can't go to the chief minister's office and sign files? That's a simple question.
Look, first, allow me to answer this question, because there is no black and white in politics.
It is black and white. This condition is black and white, Dr. Joshi. I don't have much time, which is why I'm asking you to answer this in brief.
भाई इसलिए मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि allow me to answer this question with the respected demands, because it is a very important question that you are asking. But that is why I am telling you that there are lots of shades of grey in between, and why there are so many shades of grey in other colors as well, when you look into it. Because the way Kejriwal has been arrested without a single penny being recovered, sets.
But if that is the case, 1 minute, Dr. Joshi, if that is the case, he should have been granted a regular bail, should not have had to, suffer the conditions imposed by the highest court. हर्षवर्धन जी, देखिए मैंने पूरी कोशिश की इनसे सीधा सवाल पूछा. एक ऐसा चीफ मिनिस्टर जो चीफ मिनिस्टर कार्यालय नहीं जा सके और चीफ मिनिस्टर के जो अथॉरिटी और जो पावर है साइन नहीं कर सके, क्या आम आदमी जो दिल्ली की जनता है या किसी भी स्टेट में, भगवान न करे ऐसा हो जाए, डू द पीपल डिजर्व दैट?
अरे एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूं आपसे,
मुझे लगता है कि
मिसकोट किया कि नहीं किया?
अच्छा जी, मैं बात कर लूं अपनी जी. देखिए बड़ा ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, और जब शुरुआत आपने की और वो जो 4 विंडो कटी हुई थी उसमें आतिशी मार लेना, फिर अभिषेक दत्त, फिर देवेंद्र यादव, फिर बांसुरी स्वराज. तो बांसुरी स्वराज तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जाहिर है कि उनको तो वो कहना था, हमला करना ही था. लेकिन वो जो 3 अलग विंडो थी, ये कोalition पार्टनर्स थे. एक समय में आम आदमी पार्टी के खिलाफ सबसे बड़ा अभियान इन्होंने चलाया, और आज सुबह सुबह मैंने 2 लाइनें ये पढ़ी, मेरे दिमाग में चिपक सी गई कि कब तलक तेरे इश्क में मैं रहूं, कब तलक तेरे इश्क में मैं रहूं, मेरे अपने घर के भी 100 मसले. अरे भाई 2025 का विधानसभा चुनाव आ रहा है, कांग्रेस कब तक केजरीवाल को ढोती रहेगी? और कांग्रेस को पता है कि केजरीवाल के पावरफुल होने का, बहुत स्ट्रांग होने का मतलब होगा कि उसकी रही सही जो राजनीति है वो खत्म हो जाएगी. और आज आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए थोड़ी खुशी की वजह है, इंटरिम बेल मिल गई. लेकिन कोई भी व्यक्ति जिसका ट्रायल शुरू हो जाता है उसको इंटरिम बेल मिल ही जाती. इस मामले में पीएमएलए में थोड़ी मुश्किल में मिलती है. लेकिन जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सवाल खड़ा किया कि ये हम कह नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन आप अपने विवेक से तय करिए कि आपको मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी पर रहना नहीं चाहिए. ये अरविंद केजरीवाल की इंटीग्रिटी पर, नैतिकता, शुचिता पर बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है. मुझे लगता है ये सबसे ज्यादा हाइलाइटर पॉइंट है जिसको ध्यान से देखना चाहिए.
It's a test of probity, not just for Arvind Kejriwal viewers, but all those who are supporting him. And it's ironical that Congress, that is in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in Team India, is also calling for his resignation. Yet you have this whataboutery by Kapil Madan. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us. Viewers, thanks for watching.